Welcome to Best Productly.
10 Best 20-Gallon Air Compressor New Model 2021. We are going to check out top 10 best 20-gallon air compressor in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this 20-gallon air compressor, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
P1.5 IUA 92 horsepower 20 gallon single stage compressor, 115-1, portable design, heavy duty ergonomic handle and semi-pneumatic tires for easy handling, ideal for D-ers or the professional. User friendly, a low 80 bar noise level, an easily accessible side drain valve, and an automatic start-stop pressure switch control provides a superior user experience. Maximum power, 100% continuous duty, along with 20-gallon receiver tank for tough applications. Reliable operation, all season. Select synthetic lubricant increases efficiency. With 2,000 hours of service between changeouts, it performs 4 times longer than petroleum-based lubricants. Long life, durable cast iron cylinder and frame, protective enclosed belt guard and manual overload motor protection provide excellent longevity.
Top 9.
DeWalt DXCM PA1982054 20-gallon portable air compressor, 7.0 CFM at 40 psi and 5.7 CFM at 90 psi, 155 psi max pressure for optimum tool performance. 20-gallon ASM portable tank with pre-attached pneumatic tires for maximum portability. Dual voltage motor is wired for standard 120 volt outlet and may also be converted for 240 volt application. Equipped with quick set regulator, tank and working pressure gauges, and on-off switch.
Top 8.
HP DAVV gas-driven piston air compressor, 6.5 HP, 1 stage, fit for Kohler RH65 engine. 20 gal tank, 17 CFM at max, 125 psi, cart-style portable compressed system. W0.58 PRH65 specification. Power 6.5 HP, 7.5 kW, engine, power by Kohler RH65. Airflow, 17 CFM, max working pressure, 120 psi, 8 bar, pump, 1 stage, power by gas. Keep your air-powered tools running reliably with the 6.5, 20-gallon single-stage gas-powered cart air compressor. Featuring a convenient cart design for ideal portability, this 20-gallon tank air compressor is perfect for construction sites and homes. Easy and safe operation. This gas-powered wheelbarrow compressor is durably designed with a cast iron frame for reliable, long-lasting use. An automatic start-stop pressure switch control with manual on-off lever offers easy operation, while the high-efficiency finger valves are easy to operate and maintain. The included regulator, gauge, and totally enclosed belt guard provide added safety while in use. Hose quick connects, couplings, are also included for easy setup. Multiple applications. The air compressor pump is widely used for chemical industry, light industry, textile, food processing, health, electronics, machinery, mining, construction, scientific research and other requirements of high-quality compressed air sector. Ideally suitable for variable air demand from low to medium volumes, also providing either direct driven from the motor or belt driven via pulleys from the motor. Easily mounts in trucker service vehicle. This product are designed exclusively for the heavy-duty needs of the mechanic shop, livestock operation and service truck. The 2-stage, cast iron, industrial air compressors work hard for serious industrial auto body and agricultural use. Equipped with an iron construction with cast cylinder sleeves, this pump head is designed for a long-time use and is easy for maintenance. Standard warranty. HP DAVV provided with 1-year warranty. The air end with 2-year warranty and lifetime maintenance. We also have some of the best air supplier, are able to support the after-sales services.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 7.
NorthStar portable gas-powered air compressor, Honda 163cc OHV engine, 20-gallon horizontal tank, 13.7 CFM at 90 psi Honda GX 160 OHV engine with low oil shutdown full cast iron pump for long service life V-style cylinder designed for superior cooling pump head made of FC35 grade cast iron floating type Swedish steel valves deliver much longer valve life.
Top 6.
Air compressor, portable, horizontal, 20-gallon, oil-free, 4 CFM at 90 psi, 150 psi, Campbell Hausfeld DC 200,000 Blue 20-gallon portable air compressor with horizontal design for easy transportation. 150 psi and delivery of 4 CFM at 90 psi. Unit contains a reliable 1.3 motor HP. To tackle your DE project's durable oil-free pump provides extended, hassle-free operation while ensuring superior motor performance and longevity. No maintenance, no worries. Optimally placed, easy-to-read panel for complete control of air manipulation. Steel handle and large wheels provide portability. Finish your projects faster and easier with Campbell Hausfeld. The air power experts. Start your projects right away. Bundle this unit with a Campbell 25 feet. Air hose, PA 117701 AV, 17-piece accessory kit, MP 284701 AV, and the 3-in-1 inflation gun, chuck, and gauge, MP 600,000 AV.
Top 5.
California Air Tools 20020 AD Ultra Quiet, an oil-free air compressor 2.0 HP, 20.0 gal. Steel tank air compressor with automatic drain valve ultra quiet only 70 decibels oil-free pump for less maintenance and costs 20. 0-gallon steel tank with wheels and automatic drain valve powerful 2. 0 HP, rated running, motor 5. 30 CFM at 90 psi.
Top 4.
DeWalt DX CM200 120 gal. 200 psi oil lube belt drive electric air compressor industry leading 2-stage performance 200 maximum psi provides 53% longer air tool run time versus 20-gallon 155 psi belt drive air compressors 6.2 SCFM at 90 psi provides the ability to operate a larger selection of air tools precision automotive style pistons for greatly improved balance and durability 78 BA operational noise level for a quieter work environment than direct drive oil-free compressors high flow regulator and coupler provide maximum airflow to air tools tenant. Heavy-duty pneumatic wheels for maximum portability around the shop or job site.
Top 3.
Craftsman air compressor, 20-gallon, 1.8 HP, oil-free air tools, max 175 psi pressure, 2 quick coupler, long lifecycle low noise, model, CMXECXA023243, red efficient performance, 20-gallon ultra-large tank and 175 psi max tank pressure stores more air in the tank for longer tool run times powerful 1.8 HP horsepower, 4 SCFM at 90 psi, allows for quick compressor recovery time. It is enough to make it easily drive a variety of industry and household equipment sturdy and durable. The 20-gallon air compressor made of stainless steel, rubber feet and oil-free pump for long life cycle, and no maintenance multifunction. This air compressor is designed for garage, job site and workshop, etc. Perfect used for inflating, cleaning, stapler pinner, brad finishing nailer, roofing nailer, wrench, drill, paint sprayer, caulk gun, chisel and other tools. What you can get: 1x 6 feet cord, 1x ball drain valve, 1x plastic filter, 2x quick couplers, 2x rubber wheels, 1-year limited warranty.
Top 2.
Stealth 20-gallon ultra-quiet air compressor 1.8 HP oil-free peak, 150 psi 68 decibel air compressor, 6 CFM at 40 psi 5 CFM at 90 psi long life electric air compressor with wheel for garage, job site and ultra-quiet and 3 times long life stealth innovative quiet system air compressor have been tested to be up to 80% quieter and qualify to 3 times longer life than standard induction motors, and powerful amp 20-gallon capacity high-quality induction motor generates the 1.8 horsepower power. Time of recharge the air tank from empty to full only 70 seconds. 20-gallon capacity enable your innovation work continue without break and ultra-quiet SERIES and long life cycle working noise, only 68 decibels, ultra-quiet and long life cycle working hours more than 1000 H. More quieter and save more money and time to replace new device and diversity and versatile peak 150 psi, 6 CFM at 40 psi and 5 CFM at 90 psi, support inflation, finishing nailer, angle grinder, cut-off tool, impact wrenches, drill, hammer, chisel, sander, polisher, crease air tools, etc. and easy cold start and sturdy support, cold weather start and low voltage start. Housing structure build with Q235B alloy metal heavy-duty design, pass ETL certification. 8-inch rubber reinforced wheels features easily mobility.
Top 1.
California Air Tools 20020 Ultra Quiet and Oil-Free Air Compressor 2.0 HP, 20.0 gal. Steel tank air compressor ultra quiet, only 70 decibels, oil-free pump for less maintenance and costs 20.0-gallon steel tank with wheels, powerful 2.0 HP, rated running, motor 5.30 CFM at 90 psi.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.